Hey everyone!
Huntrix, we love you! Hey girls, I got amazing news! Today we're doing a fashion makeover!
Yeah, but there's no way they'd ever pick us.
You are the ones getting an incredible makeover!
Pick your cards. This one. I'm taking this one.
Cards have been picked. Go ahead and open them.
Oh wow, these characters are so cool!
Gugu Gaga is going first. Let's go.
Yay!
Where do we start?
I think hair first.
Great choice. Right, Stacy? Stacy approves. Let's go. Welcome to my salon. Have a seat. Oh, Lou, scoot over, please.
Such a cutie. Meow. It's so beautiful in here.
Let me grab everything we need and we'll get started. We can take this off now. Stacy, want to try it on? Meow. Meow. I brought the checklist. First, we'll work on your hair. Okay, let's see what we're working with. Right, first let's take out the elastics. Cut them out.
So, how do I look?
Hold on, we still need to brush your hair, and that's not gonna be easy.
What's going on, Lali?
Just a sec, the brush got stuck. Almost there. And here's the culprit. How did you get leaves in there?
First time I'm hearing about that.
Oh my God.
Wait, there's more.
Oops.
Seriously?
I love birds.
We need to wash your hair. Now, where should I sit you? Oh no, I don't have a special shampoo chair. What do I do, LaLiLu? Don't worry, I'll help. Great, thank you. I brought a bathtub and some shampoo. Let's wash the doll's hair. Dip your hair in the water. We need to get it really wet. Now apply shampoo and lather it up really well. Rinse all the way through to the ends. Don't forget the bangs. A little scalp massage.
Oh, this feels amazing.
Now rinse out the shampoo. Just look at how smooth the hair is.
I feel so refreshed.
We'll also put in some conditioner. Distribute it all the way through the hair. Distribute it all the way through. Now let's blow dry it. I missed a little bit. Almost done. We need perfectly even bangs. Wow, how gorgeous! I'm just the best stylist. Time for the trim.
What?
Yes, the penguin has a bob. Carefully trimming the length. Wow, it really suits you. I did such an amazing job.
Oh wow, I love it too. Lali, you're an incredible stylist.
I know. That's just me. The hairstyle is done. Check it off the list. Moving on to makeup. Let's run. And here's my beauty salon.
Wow.
I have so much stuff in here. Stacy, are you happy? Let's see what we need to do. This could take us till morning.
Oh my gosh, is it really that bad?
I'm just joking, don't worry. We'll get it done right now. Let's start with this.
Lali, what is that?
Nail polish remover. Let's wash off the old makeup with it.
Just don't.
Shh. We need to wipe everything off really well. Let me get right here too. Ta-da! Oh, I think I went a little too far. We need to fix this right away. What would LaLiLu do? Think, Stacy, think. Exactly, I know. We'll draw her a whole new face. It'll actually look way better. For the lashes, we'll use a thin brush. Perfect. Now let's draw the irises. Oh my gosh, that gradient turned out incredible. I'm a true artist. Okay, time to wrap up. And here's the result.
Wow, it's so stunning.
I really put my heart into it. Now let's do your lips. Let's see.
So, how do I look?
No, that color isn't working on you.
It doesn't work?
No, but don't worry. I have a tried and true solution.
Lali, maybe that's not...
No. Don't be scared. Just a little bit. See, and you were worried.
Lali, what if we paint the lips this color instead?
I like it.
Let me give it a try this time.
Fine, if you really want to. Oh, that's pretty. LaLiLu,
do you need this?
Wow, how did you know we needed pastel?
We're a team, Lali. Let's add some pink blush to our penguin's cheeks, and our makeup is completely done.
LaLiLu, we really are the best team. This came out so cool.
Totally agree.
So, how do I look?
You look just like Gugu Gaga. But we're not done yet. We still have the outfit. Oh, LaLiLu, tick makeup off the list, and we're moving on.
Makeup is done. Time for the next step.
Oh wow, Lali, where are we?
In my workshop. This is where I create my masterpieces.
This is so cool. I can't wait for my makeover.
Then let's get started. First, let's take your measurements. Oops, I'm fine.
Oops, looks like you need a little help.
There. Whoa, I got a little dizzy there. Did you see that? Okay, I see. Perfect. Now let's find the right fabric. This won't work, and neither will this.
Lali, be careful.
Found it. My precious.
Lali, but we need black fabric.
Ugh, how boring. Fine, black it is. Watch and learn. I'm about to give you a master class on sewing a kigurumi. Trim off the excess and start sewing. I made 2 pattern pieces. Now I need to sew them together.
Lali, how's it going in there?
Hold on, just a little more.
A few moments later.
This is so exhausting. Okay, I think it's done. It came out pretty good.
Lali, but where's the hood?
Oh my gosh, the hood too.
Want me to help you out?
Please, yes, I'm so tired. I can't do anymore.
Okay, I've got it.
LaLiLu to the rescue.
Yay!
And we'll rest in the meantime. Want to fill out our friendship quiz in my diary?
Sure, Lali.
Perfect.
Good thing I prepped the hood. I knew Lali was gonna get tired.
We'll need felt to make the beak and eyes. Cut out the penguin beak shape. Cut out the penguin beak shape and sew it onto the hood. Then attach the eyes.
Our hood is done. Connect it to the kigurumi. That's so cute.
Write your favorite food right here.
Sure.
And your favorite color goes here. Lali, not now, LaLiLu. And right here, you write your best friend. That's me, right?
Lali,
LaLiLu, hold on. We're filling out the friendship quiz.
Lali, Lali.
What? Go ahead. What is it?
The kigurumi is ready.
Oh, that's slaying. Try it on, quick. Let me adjust it a little. Just perfect. Oh, it looks so adorable.
Lali, what about the shoes?
Oh, right. Let me handle that. I have yellow boots.
And I have some clay.
Perfect.
Put the boots on.
And we cover them in clay. Shape penguin feet with the clay tool.
Wow, I'm absolutely obsessed.
Me too. The resemblance is spot on.
Yes, I look exactly like Gugu Gaga. I love my look so much.
Gugu Gaga.
Let's mark the outfit on the checklist.
Lali, thank you so much. You really make dreams come true.
So happy you loved it. See you at the fashion show.
Wow, awesome. Thanks again.
We're friends. Okay, gotta go. Lily, I ran here as fast as I could.
I'm ready for my makeover.
Cool, then let's start. Look what I've got. You're gonna be blown away. I just finished a hairstyling course.
Lucky me. Show me what you can do.
First, let's brush through the hair. Now take elastics and make a high ponytail.
Split it into 3 sections. Secure the middle section with elastics. Lali, now it's your turn.
Ready. We take 2 pieces of wire and braid them into the side sections of hair. Curve the braid. Done. It's close, but something's still off. What's missing? I know the bangs. Need to cut them off.
Lali, are you sure?
Don't worry, I have a ton of experience. There, that's better. Let's add long bangs, just like the reference. Absolutely perfect. You look gorgeous. I want to take a photo of my work. Slay! This is going in my portfolio. Great shots. I'll paste them in my notebook, just like that.
Wow, you have so many cool ideas in here. I want a notebook like that too.
If you want a notebook like this, check the link below the video.
It's so beautiful. Lali definitely has a gift.
Let's check off this item on the list.
All right. Hairstyle is done. Time to move on. Welcome. This is where we'll be doing your makeup. Am I seeing things or... Let me look closer. Wow, who did this to you?
It was the girl who was playing with me.
I totally understand, but we'll fix it. I just need my notebook. Oh, thanks, LaLiLu. Found it. Here's how to remove pencil from a face.
And how?
Light bulb moment. We need an eraser. Rub it off. Come off already. So?
That didn't really help much, Lali.
That life hack doesn't work. But I know another one. Okay, let's finish this. My mom used to wipe me down just like this when I was little. And look, a clean face.
Yay, it worked.
Now let's do an amazing makeup look. We'll start with the eyes. Paint them white. Add pink irises and black pupils. A few final touches. Wow, you are absolutely gorgeous! Just look at yourself.
Oh, wow. I never expected it to turn out this well. Thank you, Lali. You're a true wizard.
You're welcome.
Let's tick makeup off the checklist.
Perfect. Okay, all we have left is your outfit. Let's look for the right fabric. Oh, LaLiLu, there's no purple or black fabric here at all.
Are you sure? I saw some just recently.
I'm positive, of course. I guess we ran out.
Are you sure, Lali?
Yes, totally sure.
Oh my gosh, does that mean I won't have an outfit? Oh no!
Calm down, Lily. Everything is under control.
Hello?
Look, they're exactly the same. Are you sure you want to look just like them?
No, I want to be unique and stand out.
Then trust me, I know what to do.
Okay, Lali, I trust you.
So draw a big circle and now cut it out.
And I'll start sewing.
LaLiLu, I made the skirts.
And I made the bib.
That slaps.
And I found a pink t-shirt.
Awesome. Let's put it all together into one look. There. 1 and 2. Finishing touches and done.
We are such a great team. Oh, wait, what about shoes?
Hold on. We have a little fabric left over. Just enough for shoes. Adding stars. Ta-da! The outfit is ready. Now let's check it off the list.
Coming. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Wow, our pink lily looks way more interesting than the regular one. And those shoes, what a perfect look.
I look great. Thank you, Lali.
You're welcome. I love helping, but I need to move on now. See you at the show.
Awesome, thanks, Lali.
Bye-bye. Phew, sorry I'm a little late. Okay, what do we have here? Right, Rory Girl. Let's take a look at this hairstyle. Well, the hair color is definitely wrong. You need a different one. Let's find something that matches. Here, look.
Wow, so many colors. Such a rich palette.
Let's see which one works best. Let's try orange.
No, that's not it.
How about purple?
No, not that one either. Oh, that's the one.
Big brain moment. You need a wig. LaLiLu!
Yes, Lali?
Give us a wig making masterclass, and I'll jot it all down in my notebook.
No problem. We'll need plastic wrap and wet wipes.
Got it. I noted the materials.
Take off the old wig, put on the plastic wrap, then a wet wipe. And secure it with an elastic.
Plastic wrap, wipe, elastic.
Next, apply glue and spread it across the whole head. We do 1, 2, 3 layers.
Got it.
Dry everything with a hairdryer.
Ah!
Oh, sorry, Lali. Here's your notebook.
I'm okay, LaLiLu.
Cut off the elastic, draw the hairline, and trim off the excess. Paint the cap to match the hair color, and glue on our strands of hair. Start from the bottom and work your way up. Here, we'll have short curls. Trim the length.
Got it. All noted.
Lali, what do you think?
Let me see. Wow, that slaps!
I love the hairstyle too.
Your masterclass should honestly be turned into movies.
Let me check what you wrote down. Making the cap, prepping the strands, gluing, trimming. Done. Everything's there. Well done. Let's check the hairstyle off the checklist.
What's next? Now it's makeup time. Let's run. Oops, come on in. This is where amazing makeup is born. Have a seat and get comfy. We'll do yours too. Your skin looks a little tired, but I know exactly how to fix that. Apply a little face cream and roll the face roller over it to smooth and lift the skin. And now my signature diamond mask. I'll make one for myself too. A little relaxation never hurts.
You are so right.
Time to take them off. Look at that glow.
Absolutely stunning.
Ready for your makeup?
Yes.
First, we'll wipe off the eyebrows. We need new ones. Paint them blue. Let's draw the lips, and ta-da! Done.
So cool. Thank you, Lali.
Oh my gosh, I was not expecting a spa day like this.
Wow, I totally didn't expect a spa like this.
So glad you loved it. This look needs to go on TikTok. Go ahead, pose. Hey everyone, this is my friend Rory Girl, and I'm Lali, and this is my blog. Subscribe. Let's take a few more photos. Oh wait, it's time to get changed. Let's hurry. Next stop, the fashion salon. Come on in, don't be shy.
Wow, it's so lovely in here.
Oh, I forgot to check off makeup on the checklist. Good thing I remembered. And now it's outfit time.
Where do we start? Lali, what are you doing?
Don't interrupt. I'm scanning you with my eyes to take your measurements. I've already learned how to eyeball sizes. Okay, I need paper and a marker. LaLiLu, I'm gonna make the patterns, and then I'll need your help. Wow, it worked!
Nice. What have you got there?
It's the skirt and top. They need to be cut out.
Okay. Like this?
Yep, LaLiLu, that's exactly right.
Oh, I'm already loving it. I'm gonna have the prettiest outfit ever.
Of course, me and LaLiLu will make it happen.
I can't wait.
And here's the fabric. Of course, it's all based on the reference.
I'll take this, okay? Transfer Lali's patterns onto the fabric. Trace this one in white and this one in regular pencil. Cut out the pieces. Now sew everything together. First the skirt, then the top.
Wow, it's lovely! Rory, try it on, quick! The skirt and top look great together, but something's still missing. Hey, Rory, could you pop over for a second?
What is it, Lali?
I need something. I'll just borrow this, okay?
Hey, that's my crown!
Perfect. Now we need a belt, too. Just one sec. Oh, Rory isn't picking up. Went to voicemail. Oh, that's fine. I'll figure something out. Snip, snip. LaLiLu, I made a belt. Here, and I'll make something else.
That looks nice. Adding a buckle, and voila!
I have a vision. You're gonna love this. Rory, I sewed you some leg warmers.
Wow, let's try them on right away. Take this off. Absolutely stunning.
But what about my shoes?
Already got it figured out.
Wow, good job.
Lalakadabra. And there are our shoes.
Wow, such cute little boots.
And that's Rory Girl's completed look.
This is absolutely incredible.
Okay, now you're ready. Oh wait, we forgot the cape and the cookie.
Can we go now?
Hold on, we're not done yet. Hey, LaLiLu, help us out.
Here I am.
Wow, that was fast. I need your cape.
What? No, not the cape. How would I fly without it?
Please, LaLiLu.
No, I'm not giving it up.
But I really need it.
So do I.
Ha, got it.
Let go.
Please, please, please.
Fine, Lali. I was just messing with you. Take it. I don't mind at all.
Wait, you're saying you were pranking me?
Of course. I can fly just fine without the cape.
So, let's put the cape on you.
Oh, wow. Turns out red really suits me.
You're almost ready. We just need the cookie bag.
I have some clay right here.
LaLiLu, come on, clay.
What, Lali?
Make it easy. We have a round bag and a printer. Print 2 cookies, cut them out, and glue them onto the bag. A piece of cake.
Wow, so cute.
Here you go, Rory. This is for you.
The cookie bag is perfect for my look.
The look is finally complete.
I'm so ready. Now I'm a real Rory girl, fully ready for the party. Let's check off the outfit on the checklist.
Rory, here's your invitation to the fashion show.
Wow, I've been waiting for this. Are you coming?
I'll be there soon.
Then see you there. Wow, welcome everyone to the fashion show. Yay!
Oh my gosh, who is that?
Someone very important. Probably some kind of celebrity.
Hey girls, and here I am. Don't recognize me?
Oh gosh, Lali, you look absolutely stunning.
What a gorgeous dress.
You all look fire too. Time to show everyone our looks.
I'm Gugu Gaga. And I'm Rory Girl.
And I'm Lili.
Girls, you are everything. These looks are out of this world.
Lali, show us your incredible dress.
This is my original design. I love you all, my fans. Mwah.
Lali, you're a real designer.
Yes, absolutely amazing. Every single look is absolutely stunning. If you loved our makeover too, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and believe that miracles really do happen. Bye-bye.